Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix there was a problem with the server and the error code you get on the screen is 400. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error in your YouTube app, there was a problem with the server error 400, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, then search for YouTube. Tap on the YouTube. Once tap on the force stop, tap on OK. You can see here storage and cache, just tap on that. Once tap on the clear cache, then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then tap on the Play Store, tap on YouTube. If your YouTube app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating YouTube, then close this window and check. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix there was a problem with the server and the error code is 400. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.